Hey my friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this 12.8 volt CYCLENBATT. This features 18 amp hours, so this can be hooked up in a series of 4 batteries or parallel, either way. So this only weighs a little over 4 pounds. It has basically different protections on here, so if it has a temperature, it's too hot, it'll like shut itself down so it doesn't damage it, and also has this detailed little instruction manual. Quite lightweight actually, my friends. It's about 50% lighter than a lead battery, so that's really nice, the lead acid batteries. And has the 2 little poles here. Like I say, you can set up 4 of these in series or parallel, so it can be help part of your little solar system. You can run your RV or something off of these. So it has a product manual and a let's get started thing. So it kind of just tells you how to hook it up with an inverter and different things like that. That's pretty nice. So these battery backups can be used for a ton of different things actually. So like backup power for lights, security cameras, different things like that. So like I said, super lightweight. I mean, for the amount of power this thing holds compared to a traditional battery. Battery's getting smaller and more lightweight with more power. So pretty sweet little battery here, my friends. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.